Welcome.
Like, what's up, guys? Today we got fireworks. We're over here at the Covington steps, and yeah, we're gonna get crazy. Ready for this shit, guys?
We're ready. We're ready.
Full send it.
Full send, Cleo.
Okay.
Just full send it.
Oh. I held it too tight, my bad.
Okay, so what's that supposed to do? Does it just blow up in your hand?
My ears hurt so bad.
That was scary.
How much did you guys spend on the fireworks?
Vlog Squad, Cleo spent a cool $50. I spent about $29.
Wow, Cleo spent fucking $50. I feel like you guys should have split it.
Well, I got some fireworks. She got fireworks.
Oh yeah.
Got some personal collections.
Pick up, pick up! Oh shit.
It's so exciting.
In his bag.
What's on in his bag? Grenade.
Oh shit.
And yeah, we're gonna throw it at our other vlog companion, Cleo Lovin. Catch this grenade.
We should put a firework in here. Can we do that?
I would say yes. I feel like Cleo might say no though.
Can we put a firework in here?
No.
What did I say?
It's always so scary.
They've been so janky lately too.
What house are you?
Slytherin. Bitch. And then I...
Oh?
Oh, it's just a smoke bomb. That's so lame.
Is it gonna smell bad? Oh, it's just smoke. Okay. What does this one do?
It balloons.
It balloons?
Go, go, go.
Oh my god!
I think this one's just gonna be bright.
Alright, let's see that shit.
Holy, oh my god, it's so bright.
You just gotta stare at it.
See the shadows, like, no, not anymore, but there were like shadows hitting the wall though, so.
That was horrible.
Oh my god! Oh, Cleo, fuck. Fuck. I got it.
Sorry.
It's so scary. Oh, lightning bug.
Around already. Oh my god.
Parachute. Who will catch it? Oh, okay. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. It's over there. It's moving so fast. Ugh.
You gotta throw one. They're crazy.
Oh my god. Alright.
You gotta throw it hard though. Like,
Oh, that wasn't louder than the other one.
yeah.
You got cheated. You should take one, like eat one.
Yeah. Throw a firework in my belly.
Yeah! Is that the one we just did? What is this one?
What's up, Hit Nation? That was your boy, Clee-Dog, D-Davy. We out. Got a lot of fireworks going. Gathered quite the crowd.
Put your hand up.
And we hope you enjoyed.
Whoa, yeah, sure enough.
It's
fucking crazy in there.
Oh, it's dead.
I don't know how we would get in. Did you see?
No.
Oh, you guys didn't even look through the tunnel.
I didn't think I could make it over there in time. Did I give you the gratification?
Yeah, I mean, it was big and empty, but it was still cool.
End of the vlog.
Goodbye.